Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox update errors. First, let's start with some fundamental checks. A simple restart of your computer or mobile device, along with your internet router, can often resolve temporary glitches. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can interrupt updates. Finally, close any other applications running in the background to free up system resources for Roblox. Sometimes, your device's security settings can mistakenly block Roblox updates. You should add Roblox to your firewall's exception list to allow it full internet access. If the issue persists, try temporarily disabling your antivirus software, but remember to re-enable it afterward for protection. Also, confirm that your device's date and time are set correctly, as incorrect settings can interfere with server communication. Corrupted files are a common cause of update problems. Start by clearing Roblox's temporary files and cache. On Windows, this is often found in the temp folder. If that doesn't work, a full reinstallation is often the most effective solution. Uninstall Roblox completely, then download and install a fresh copy from the official website. Always ensure you have at least 500 megabytes of free storage space for the update. For more persistent issues, try running the Roblox application as an administrator, which can resolve permission-related problems. Keeping your operating system, like Windows or iOS, fully updated is also crucial for game compatibility and performance. If all else fails, visit the official Roblox status page. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end, but rather with their servers. If the issue continues, contacting Roblox support is your best next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.